Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for board exams. We will cover a full guide to help you achieve excellent results. First, understand the exam structure, including the types of questions and marks distribution. Focus on chapters that carry more weightage, as this optimizes your study efforts. Develop a consistent study schedule, dedicating at least 2 hours daily to physics. A strong conceptual understanding is your most valuable asset. To master physics, focus on understanding derivations step by step, not just memorizing them. Practice numerical problems extensively. Aim for at least 20 to 30 problems per chapter. Always draw clear, well-labeled diagrams to enhance your explanations, especially for ray optics or electromagnetism. Keep a dedicated formula sheet and review it daily to ensure quick recall during the exam. Effective revision is key. Create your own short notes, summarizing key concepts and formulas for each chapter. Solving at least 10 years of previous board papers will familiarize you with question patterns and important topics. Regularly take full-length mock tests to simulate exam conditions and improve your speed. Analyze your performance in these tests to pinpoint weak areas and dedicate extra time to them. On exam day, a quick review of your short notes and formulas will boost your confidence. Before writing, spend the initial 15 minutes reading the entire question paper thoroughly. Allocate your time strategically, giving approximately 1.8 minutes per mark for a 3-hour paper. Stay calm and composed. A clear mind helps you recall information better. Believe in your preparation and perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.